In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove access on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop specific people from viewing or editing a folder you own, using the built-in sharing controls in Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel with Google services. Select Drive to open your Google Drive. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account as usual. You'll land in My Drive, where all your folders and files live. Next, find and click the folder you want to lock down. If you manage lots of content, the search bar at the top can help you locate it quickly. Keep in mind, you need to be the owner or have the right permissions to change sharing settings. If you don't see sharing options, you may not have the required access. With the folder selected, move your mouse toward the top to reveal the toolbar and hover over the Share button so you can see it clearly. Then click Share to open the sharing window. This panel shows exactly who currently has access and what their role is, like viewer, commenter, or editor. Look for the person or group you want to remove. To the right of their name, you'll see a small drop-down icon indicating their permission level. Click that drop-down to reveal more options. From the list, choose Remove Access. This removes their individual permission to the folder. If you accidentally select the wrong person, you can cancel before saving. After making your changes, confirm them by clicking Save or Done at the bottom of the sharing window. This applies your updates and immediately revokes access for the selected person. If they try to open the folder later, they'll be told they no longer have permission. A couple of quick tips to ensure the results you expect. Removing a person's access only affects that specific individual. If link sharing is set to anyone with the link, others might still reach the content via the link. Review your link settings in the same sharing window to make sure they align with your privacy needs. Also, if the folder is in a shared drive, permissions may be managed at a higher level, and you might need manager rights to change them. That's it. You opened Google Drive, selected the folder, used the Share panel, changed the drop-down next to the person's name, removed access, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your Google Drive privacy.